Open Office 365 and log into your account. Click the waffle and select Teams. Once you're in Teams, hit the App square to find the Math Preview app. Once you locate the app, click it to open, select Open, and here you are, a math solving app. You can type your problems in here, you can graph, all different kinds of things. Here I've selected a subtraction problem. You can view the solution steps. This one is rather simple, but here are some videos down here that will take you straight to the Khan Academy where you can watch a video on how this is solved. You may have to create an account for Khan Academy if you don't have one already in order to watch the video. You'll also see in Khan Academy there are some practice problems. So let's talk a little bit more about Khan Academy. So for your early math learners, here's an excellent resource. Type in early math and select that in Khan Academy. And here we go with some of those beginning math concepts like counting. So we can watch a video about counting with small numbers. Forgive me, there's no sound. So you can play this video and it will show you how to do the practice that you can do following this video. So this is a nice way to implement some video modeling for students. So here's our practice. This is going to ask the students to put 10 apples in the box. Great activity for our Promethean boards. You can drag the apples until you get 10 in the box. This will work on our Promethean boards. Check your answer. It was correct. And we can move to the next question if we'd like. This one's asking us to put 3 sharks in the box. We can also have it show the answers or how we arrived at that answer. This one is rather simple, and then it will also take us back to the video about how to count with small numbers. So if your students are struggling with a concept, you can go back and watch the video again. And then when you're ready, you can go back to your Teams app and you'll be right back where you started. And this is how you can use the math app with your students.